What's up, Cubers? I have a package from SpeakUpShop.com. Okay, let's get right into it. Ooh, got a free GAN promo bag. And I got the X-Men Volt V2 Square One. Anything else? No, there's nothing else. Okay. Let's see. Never opened one of these before. So like this. Yeah, I think it is like that. I don't want to rip the packaging though. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna stop the recording here and then come back whenever I have it open. Okay, I finally got it open. Ooh, just push it out like that. Whoa. We got the X-Men Volt Square One. And inside, we got a spring and washer, and then the solving pamphlet. Okay. Let's open this up. And now let's get into first turns. Ooh, it's got a little bit of lubricant on it. Oh no. Whoa, it's already really fast. If y'all guys don't know, I use the Yushin Little Magic Square One. This feels absolutely amazing. It's a bit dry. And do a little pattern on it. Wow, this is a pretty awesome Square One. I highly recommend this one. The slice, it has a magnetic bump, but it's not. It's pretty light. It's really fast. Square One's not my main event, but it might be like one of my favorites. And now especially I have this one. I tried a few algorithms out. I'll mess that up. Let's just do a solve real quick. It's starting to break in a little bit. It's feeling pretty good. Wow, this is such an amazing Square One. Okay. Well, we already have a Scalp, so start off with Scalp. Gotta get used to this black. I decided to use black because all the Square Oneers use black. Don't you just hate imperms though? We have, I think this is a parody. I don't know any parody EPLs. Oh, actually, we don't have any parody. It's really fast. Okay, now let's try corner cutting. Not too much, but it's fast feed. Makes up for that. Should probably flip this around to white top. But anyways, that's the unboxing on the X-Men Square One Volt V2. See you guys later. Make sure you subscribe and like the video.